What if you could set up a 24/7 live stream once and never have to touch it again? That's exactly what StreamKite does. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you how to go from a brand new passkey to a fully looping 24/7 live stream on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, or any platform you want. Let's get into it. When you purchase a StreamKite plan, you'll receive a passkey. It starts with SF-. This is your permanent key to your dashboard. Kite.live/dashboard. Paste your passkey into the field at the top right and click Load. That's it. No email login, no boring sign-up process. Your passkey is your account. You'll immediately see your plan details, how many slots you have, when your plan expires, and your current stream status at a glance. Here's your dashboard. Let me give you a quick orientation before we dive in. At the top, your passkey, plan expiry, and server status. Green dots mean all servers are online and your streams are safe. In the center, your stream slots. Each slot is one independent 24/7 stream. Depending on your plan, you get 3, 5, or 10 of these. On the right side, a floating power panel button. That's where all the advanced features live. We'll cover that in a few minutes. And at the bottom of the page, a built-in setup guide, FAQ, and ways to earn free bonus days. Worth checking out. Let's set up your first stream. Click the plus Add Stream button. You'll see 2 fields. First, a stream name. This is just for you. Call it something like YouTube Main or Facebook LoFi Music. It helps you stay organized when you have multiple slots running. Second, the RTMP stream key. This is the unique address that tells StreamKite where to send your video. Every platform gives you this. In a moment, I'll show you exactly where to find it on YouTube. For now, let's grab that key. Open a new tab and go to studio.youtube.com. Sign in if needed. Click the camera icon at the top right and select Go Live. In the Live control room, click the Stream tab. Under Encoder, select Streaming Software. You'll see a stream URL and a stream key. Copy the stream URL. It looks like rtmp://a.rtmp.youtube.com/live2, then copy the stream key below it. Now combine them. Paste the URL, add a /, then paste the key. The full RTMP URL looks like this. Copy that full combined URL. Go back to StreamKite and click Create Slot. Quick note, Twitch, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Rumble, and other platforms all work the same way. The setup guide at the bottom of your dashboard has the exact format for every major platform. Your slot is created. Now we need to give it something to stream. Click the upload area on your slot card. StreamKite accepts MP4, MKV, AVI, MOV, FLV, and even audio files like MP3 and WWAV. Maximum file size is 5 GB per slot. For best quality, use an MP4 file with H.264 video and AAC audio. Drag your file in or click to browse. You'll see a real-time progress bar with upload speed and percentage. Any uploads are chunked and resumable. So if your connection drops, it picks up exactly where it left off. Once it's uploaded, you'll see the file name appear on your slot card. StreamKite stores this file securely on its servers, so it streams directly from there, 24/7, even when your computer is completely off. Everything is ready. Click the Start button. Your stream is now live. StreamKite is sending your video to YouTube right now. When it reaches the end of the file, it automatically loops back to the beginning, indefinitely, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without any intervention from you. Switch back to YouTube Studio, and you'll see the stream coming in within about 30 seconds. Hit Go Live on YouTube's side, and you're broadcasting. Want to stream multiple videos in a sequence? Use the playlist feature. Click the playlist button on your slot card. This is your playlist manager. You can upload up to 50 files per slot with a combined storage of 5 GB. Drag and drop multiple files, or click to browse and select them all at once. Once uploaded, you can reorder them simply by dragging. The stream will play them top to bottom, then loop the entire playlist from the beginning. Great for music channels, video compilations, or rotating content. Now let me show you the power panel. This is where StreamKite goes beyond a basic streaming tool. Click the lightning bolt icon. You'll see a row of tabs. Let me walk through the most useful ones. Stream Health shows you in real time how many streams are currently live, their stability rating, and live bitrate for each one. If a stream drops, you'll see it here instantly. The scheduler lets you set recurring start and stop times for any slot. Select a slot, set your start and stop time, pick which days it should run, and optionally set a blackout window. Hours, where the stream should never run, like overnight. Save it, and StreamKite handles the rest automatically. Automation has 3 powerful tools. Auto recovery. If a stream crashes, StreamKite restarts it automatically. Select your slot, toggle it on, set max retries. Done. Stream chaining. When one slot stops, automatically start another. Perfect for back-to-back content. Webhooks. Get notified in Slack, Discord, or any app when a stream starts, stops, or crashes. Just paste your webhook URL and pick your events. The Key Vault is a secure store for all your platform stream keys. Save your YouTube key, Twitch key, Facebook key, all in one place, labeled and searchable. When you need to set up a new slot, your keys are right there. And if you ever need to export your slot data, stream keys, platform names, RTMP URLs, you can download everything as CSV, JSON, TXT, or a printable HTML table. One click. If you share access to your dashboard or just want extra security, use Slot Lock. Click the lock icon in the bottom left corner. Set a PIN between 6 and 30 characters and answer a security question in case you ever need to reset it. Once locked, no one can add, edit, or delete slots, or use the power controls without the PIN. Critically, any streams that are already running continue streaming normally. The lock protects your settings, not your streams. Going away. Use holiday mode. Click the beach emoji button in the toolbar. It stops all your streams at once and stores a friendly reminder on your dashboard. Your files and settings are completely safe. When you're back, click Resume Streaming and everything picks up where it left off. You can also bulk control streams from the toolbar. Start all, stop all, and restart. All act on every eligible slot simultaneously, saving you from clicking each one individually when you have multiple streams running. When your plan is getting close to expiry, you'll see a countdown on your dashboard and a renewal banner. Click it to open the renewal dialog. Choose monthly or yearly billing. Click Pay Now. Checkout opens in a new tab. After payment, you'll receive a renew key starting with RNST- by email. Come back, paste it in the renewal dialog, and your plan extends immediately. All your streams, files, and settings are preserved. Nothing resets. Need more slots? You can add an add-on plan at any time from the plus Add Extra Slots button. Add-on plans stack on top of your main plan. If you ever get stuck, Help is right inside the dashboard. Click the Support button at the top right to open a ticket directly from your dashboard. Your pass key is automatically attached so the team knows exactly which account you're on. At the bottom of the dashboard, you'll also find a full setup guide with RTMP URLs for every major platform, an FAQ covering the most common questions, and a list of ways to earn free bonus days on your plan. If you don't have a plan yet, visit StreamKite.live. Plans start at just $1 a month. The link is in the description. If this video helped you, drop a like. It helps more people find StreamKite. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy streaming!